Alrighty, I am the only one again in the former Rhodes and JCPenney department store. So here it is. So at this place, these are the elevators that they actually want people to use. These are nothing but ugly tin cans, and they newly installed these elevators. These are not original to the department store. This is what they want people to use to take things up and down. Will I ever use these? Nope. I will always use the beautiful freight elevator that's here, not this piece of junk. I think it's an MEI, but I'm not sure. Look at this, it's nothing but a tin can. I don't know why people love these tin can elevators, but I just think this is so ugly. Look at that. They want people to use these. Anyways, let's go down to one. Oh, looks like someone may have just recently been down here. Let's go to 3. Yep, these are not part of the department store. We're gonna get the other elevator now. We're gonna send this down to 1. There are 4 elevators in total. We're gonna get this one now. Also, another tin can. I'm only filming these. I'm always going to use that free elevator they have, unless it's out of service or something. We're going to get off at 1.